Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? Aaron Thomas with Excellence Above Talent. Man, what's been on my heart this week is men learning how to talk about their issues, talk about their emotions, talk about things that they're going through. Because I feel like if we as men don't speak about these issues, the people who suffer are spouses and kids. Because not speaking creates this pent up anger and this pent up rage. And I'm speaking from experience. And you have all these emotions inside of you, and one little thing happens and you explode. Not trying to hurt the people that you love, but hurting them uh, by your actions, by your words. If you don't find an outlet, a positive outlet, because I have tried a lot of outlets to alleviate that pressure. Um, Alcohol was a big one for me, and that only caused more destruction and pain. Porn was a big one for me, and that only caused uh, that only caused more pain. That only created an appetite for a fix that couldn't be filled. I was never really much into drugs. Women were was something that I tried that I thought would help alleviate that pain. And you know, after watching porn, after waking up drunk from a hangover, um, after having relations with another woman, I would wake up and that pain would still be there. That frustration would still be there. That pent up rage would still be there. And nothing helped me in that situation until I started to realize that I have issues and I have things that I haven't talked about that happened to me with people. And I began to talk about those things and express my emotions in a positive and productive way. Started, riding bikes. I started working out, running. Uh, if I started to feel that rage or aggression or that pain, um, then I talked to a trusted, friend, someone that I knew could handle the information. And when I started doing that as a man, is whenever my eyes began to open up to other things in my life that were happening that I just didn't see because I was so, you know, bent out of shape and so not focused on the things that I should have been focusing on because I had all this, pent up aggression and rage. So, man, if you're a man out there and you're frustrated, you're hurt, you're afraid, you're alone, you feel in pain, just know that you're not alone, and that people are here. People have experienced those same emotions and those same feelings, um, and they're one call away, or maybe just one video away. But as a man, what you shouldn't do is take all that pain and frustration and hurt you take that weight that you're carrying and you put that on your wife and your kids. Because they don't deserve that neither. So, if anyone hasn't told you today that they love you, let me be the first to say that I love you, that you are enough, that you are amazing, that you deserve the best, and that you are not alone in this world. Y'all have a good day. Bye-bye.